Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of the most transformative details in any kitchen makeover, the backsplash. The kitchen backsplash delivers the highest visual impact per square foot in your home. It's a detail that instantly catches the eye and can completely change your kitchen's personality. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just want a quick refresh, I've got you covered. I'm sharing 12 backsplash ideas for every style and budget, from $30 DIYs to designer luxury. Let's get started and find the perfect backsplash to make your kitchen unforgettable. Subway tile is a timeless classic, instantly recognizable for its clean lines and crisp white finish. For decades, it's been the go-to choice for kitchens and bathrooms, thanks to its versatility and understated elegance. But just because it's classic doesn't mean it has to be predictable or boring. You can easily modernize the look by experimenting with how you lay the tiles. Try arranging them in a herringbone pattern for a fresh, dynamic feel, or opt for a vertical stack to create a sleek, contemporary vibe that's anything but ordinary. A herringbone pattern brings a sense of movement and energy to your backsplash, drawing the eye and adding visual interest. It's perfect for those who want their kitchen to feel lively and full of personality. On the other hand, a vertical stack pattern can make your kitchen feel taller and more open, emphasizing height and creating a modern, airy atmosphere that's especially great for smaller spaces. Both of these patterns work beautifully with either matte or glossy finishes, so you can choose the look that best matches your style. Matte tiles offer a soft, subtle look, while glossy tiles reflect light and add a touch of shine. Subway tile is not only affordable and widely available, but it's also incredibly DIY friendly. With a little patience and the right tools, you can transform your kitchen over a weekend, saving money and adding your own personal touch. And don't feel limited to classic white. Subway tiles now come in a wide range of colors, from soft pastels to bold, vibrant hues. Whether you want a subtle upgrade or a dramatic statement, there's a shade for every taste. Even a simple change in pattern or color can have a huge impact, completely transforming the look and feel of your kitchen without a major renovation. Don't overlook how a creative twist on a classic design can truly elevate your space, making it feel fresh, stylish, and uniquely yours. With just a bit of imagination, your backsplash can go from basic to brilliant in just a weekend, proving that small changes can make a big difference. Nothing says custom like handmade tile, especially Zelliger. Each piece is unique, with subtle color variations and a glossy, light-catching surface. Even a small area behind the stove or sink can become a showpiece. The irregular edges and hand-glazed finishes add old-world charm with a modern twist. Handmade tile is an investment, but the impact is undeniable. You can often custom order colors or finishes to fit your vision. If you want your backsplash to be a conversation starter, artisan tiles are the way to go. Peel and stick glass mosaic tile is one of the most accessible and exciting trends in home decor right now. Whether you're a renter, a homeowner, or just someone who loves to refresh their space, these tiles offer a simple way to add style and personality to your kitchen or bathroom without any hassle. Today's peel and stick options are not only high quality and durable, but they're also completely removable and won't damage your walls. That makes them absolutely perfect for renters or anyone who likes to change things up often. You can experiment with different looks, knowing you can always switch back or try something new. Installation couldn't be easier. Just measure your space, cut the tiles to fit, peel off the backing and stick them right onto your wall. There's no need for grout, glue or any special tools, so you can skip the mess and the stress of traditional tiling projects. In just a single afternoon, you can completely transform a blank, boring wall into a sparkling, eye-catching focal point that instantly elevates your kitchen style. The difference is truly dramatic, and you'll love the instant gratification. Peel and stick mosaics come in a huge variety of colors, patterns, and shapes, so you can find the perfect match for your taste and decor. From classic subway styles to bold geometric patterns, there's something for everyone. Best of all, these tiles are budget-friendly, making them ideal for small budgets, renters, or anyone looking for a quick and affordable makeover. You don't have to spend a fortune to get a high-end look. If you want a fresh new look without the long-term commitment or the headache of renovation, peel and stick mosaics are the perfect solution. When it's time for a change, just peel them off. No residue, no damage, no worries. Upgrade your kitchen with zero mess, total flexibility, and a style that's all your own. With peel and stick glass mosaic tiles, a beautiful transformation is always within reach. For a look that exudes luxury and sophistication, consider running your countertop material, such as quartz or marble, up the wall as a single, uninterrupted slab backsplash. This design choice instantly elevates any kitchen, making it feel more custom and high-end. The continuous flow of stone or quartz from the counter to the wall creates a sense of unity and elegance that's hard to achieve with traditional tile. This seamless look is both modern and timeless, offering a stunning, uninterrupted surface that draws the eye and becomes a true focal point in your kitchen. It's a design that works beautifully in both contemporary and classic spaces, blending effortlessly with a variety of cabinet styles and finishes. Without any grout lines to break up the surface, your eye travels smoothly from the countertop up the wall, allowing the natural veining and unique patterns of the stone to take center stage. This uninterrupted transition highlights the inherent beauty and character of the material, making every slab a one-of-a-kind piece of art. Even in smaller kitchens, a single slab backsplash can make the space feel grander and more cohesive. The continuous surface visually expands the room, creating a sense of openness and flow that's especially valuable in compact layouts. While installing a single slab backsplash is a bigger investment compared to standard tile, it's surprisingly easy to maintain. With no grout lines to clean, spills and splashes wipe away effortlessly, keeping your kitchen looking pristine and polished with minimal effort. If you want your kitchen to feel like an art gallery, a single slab backsplash is the ultimate wow moment. The dramatic expanse of stone or quartz creates a bold statement, turning your kitchen into a space that's as visually striking as it is functional. It's a splurge, but one that will be admired for years to come, offering timeless beauty, effortless maintenance, and a truly unforgettable design statement. Not ready for tile? Try a painted backsplash for a quick, budget-friendly change. With specialist tile or high-gloss kitchen paint, you can transform your backsplash for as little as $30. It's a fast DIY project with a huge visual payoff. Works great on existing tile or laminate that just needs a refresh. Use painter's tape for stripes or geometric patterns if you want a custom look. Modern tile paints are durable, washable, and heat-resistant. If you want a makeover without a full reno, grab some paint and see the difference in hours. Sometimes it's not the tile, but the grout that makes the statement. Contrasting grout, like black with white tile, adds graphic interest and makes each tile pop. It transforms basic tile into a show-stopping design element. This is especially effective with subway or geometric tiles, where grout lines become part of the design. If you want energy and attitude, experiment with grout color for a small change with big impact. Matching grout to your tile creates a smooth, uninterrupted surface. This subtle approach delivers a calm, clean, and sophisticated look. It's perfect for making small kitchens feel larger and more open. Matching grout lets the tile material shine and keeps the space feeling airy. Sometimes the quietest details make the loudest statement. Want your kitchen to sparkle? Metallic and mirrored tiles add instant glam and bounce light around the room. Choose from brass, stainless, or mirrored glass for a brighter, more open feel. Even a small section can become a dazzling focal point. These tiles are easy to clean and add a touch of luxury without overwhelming the space. If you want your backsplash to double as kitchen jewelry, metallic and mirrored tiles are the answer. Patterned cement tile is perfect for color, pattern, and personality. From Moroccan motifs to modern geometrics, the design possibilities are endless. Cement tile is durable, with a matte finish and vibrant pigments for an artisan vibe. Installation can be more involved, but the result is a backsplash that feels like art. If you want your kitchen to stand out, patterned cement tile is a can't-miss idea. Natural stone mosaics bring organic beauty and texture to your kitchen. Small pieces of marble, slate, or pebble create a luxurious, inviting surface. The tactile finish adds depth and timeless appeal. With proper sealing, maintenance is simple, and each backsplash is unique. For a grounded, elegant look, natural stone mosaics are a perfect choice. Large format porcelain tile is all about clean lines and a sleek, modern look. Oversized tiles minimize grout lines, visually expanding your kitchen. Porcelain is durable, stain-resistant, and available in many colors and finishes. Installation takes skill, but the seamless result is worth it. For a simple, striking vibe, large format porcelain delivers modern minimalism. Reclaimed wood or shiplap backsplashes add warmth and texture to any kitchen. Each plank tells a story, bringing rustic charm and character. With proper sealing, wood stands up beautifully in kitchens. Shiplap offers a tailored modern spin. Run it horizontally or vertically, paint or leave natural. For a cozy, inviting, and unique backsplash, reclaimed wood or shiplap is a fantastic option. There you have it, 12 backsplash ideas to instantly upgrade your kitchen, no matter your style or budget. Whether you've got $30 and a paintbrush or you're ready for a designer slab, there's a solution here for you. The right backsplash is more than a detail. It's the soul of your kitchen. Drop a comment below with your favorite idea or share your own kitchen makeover story. Thanks for watching, and happy renovating.